Hi, it's Jeannie from Stu Leonard's Garden Shop, and now it's starting the fall and we're starting with mums. Everybody loves mums. What's not to like? When all the other annuals have died, you need some color. The only tricky thing with mums is when they're like this, nice and full and everything, but they're not showing color, I can't tell you what color it's gonna be. Usually there's a tag inside the plant that you can find, and it'll tell you what color. New plants actually have a tag on the pot that will tell you the color, but this one's showing color, so you know it's going to be yellow with the red. If they're only showing a tiny little bud, you might not know, but just look for the tag. Almost all the plants have a tag inside of them. One good thing to know about the mums is they don't like to dry out, so please water your mums every day. The mums, when they get thirsty, they will curl right up, and they're hard to get them to come back with a little bit of water. Sometimes they break, but don't worry about that. Just take that off and the mum is still fine. About watering your mums, don't water from overhead because there's so much space here. You could be watering and it's not going inside the plant because they take up so much room. You want to try to get the wand, the watering, whatever you're using to water them inside here. If you keep them in a pot, you want to let the water come out, so you want to make sure that the soil stays moist. A little bit of water is not good enough. You really need to make sure that the soil is moist and the pot is heavy, and that's how you're going to know that you've watered it enough.